Characterization of honking noise in urban environment of Nagpur. The Journal of Acoustical Society of India. India, where festivals and functions are incomplete without blare sound of loudspeakers. In every nook and corner introduces noise as a pollutant in the environment. Characterization of honking noise in urban environment of Nagpur. Base map of study area and sampling location. Nagpur being listed third in Maharashtra urban centers. Also accounts for healthcare hub of the state. Data collection. Morning, afternoon and evening with time interval of 1 second. Many researches have been carried out with sampling period of 60 minutes with corresponding interval depending on objective of the study. Data analysis. Traffic noise index and noise exceedance factor. Traffic volume, PCNU, octave bands data were further analyzed for characterization of traffic. Frequency analysis and statistical analysis. For characterization of honking noise, 60 seconds sample is selected from each shift and honks occurred by light and medium category. Results and discussion. Sound levels and traffic volume. Noise metrics equation. Sound level, traffic noise index, noise exceedance factor with vehicular volume in PCNU of different sessions are presented in table. Statistical analysis. Relationship between equivalent noise and honking of morning, afternoon session of each 1 minute interval. Relationship between equivalent noise and honking of evening session of each 1 minute interval. Values of different parameters were calculated with frequency of 1 minute for 2 hours. Set of 120 data points were developed per shift. Statistical analysis. Trend analysis between equivalent noise and honking based on average honking in unit time interval. For characterization of honking, equation sound level was regressed against honking incidence of light and medium category. Trend analysis between equivalent noise and honking based on average honking in unit time interval. Noise level are higher than medium vehicles except detail of leg level, with and without honking, and sound pressure. Sound pressure responding to noise level of honking. Highest percentage increment in sound pressure was observed in evening. Frequency analysis. Response of 500, 2000 and 4000 Hz frequency band, sound pressure level and audio waveform. Characterization of honking. Though sample period of 5 minutes in each session do not represent the conclusion of 120 minutes observation per session. Characterization of honking in light and medium category. Conclusions. It is observed that honking scenario increased noise level by 45.3 dB, which is confirmed with statistical and frequency analysis as elaborated earlier.